Ciao, I'm Chiara from filo e segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful and very easy spring top. Beginner friendly in design using basic crochet stitches to create an open lace partner. A quick make, perfect for a gifting. For this project I use 5 skeins of Jaqueline from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box, and a 5.5mm hook. We will need to work a foundation chain with a multiple of 3, and we will need to work a set of 2 rows to complete this pattern. So first chain 39. Okay, now we do 1 single crochet in the 6th chain from hook. Then chain 2, then we skip the next 2 stitches, then we do 1 single crochet into the 3rd one. Chain 2, then we skip the next 2 stitches, then we do 1 single crochet into the following stitch. And continue this sequence until the end of this row. So now skip the last 2 chains, then we do 1 single crochet into the last chain. Okay, now chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet and turn the work. Then we do another double crochet into the same stitch. Now we skip the chain 2 space of the previous row. Then we do 3 double crochets in the next stitch. The next stitch is the single crochet of the previous row. So now we move directly into the next single crochet of the previous row, where we do another set of 3 double crochets. And continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. And now we do 2 double crochets into the last stitch to complete this row. So now we are going to repeat row 1. So first chain 1, then turn the work, then we do 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 2, then we skip the next 2 stitches, then we do 1 single crochet into the 3rd one. Chain 2 once again, then we skip the next 2 stitches, then we do 1 single crochet into the next one, and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. And now we do 1 single crochet into the 3rd chain. to complete row 1. So now let's repeat the second row of the partner together one more time. So first chain 3, this count as your first double crochet, then turn the work. And now we do 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now we skip the chain 2 space of the previous row, then we do 3 double crochets into the next stitch. The next stitch is the single crochet of the previous row. So we do a set of 3 double crochets in each of these single crochet of the previous row. So now we move directly into the next single crochet of the previous row, where we do another set of 3 double crochets. And continue to repeat this until the end of this row. And now we do 2 double crochets into the last stitch. Okay, all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we will reach the length about 104 centimeters or 41 inches. But before proceeding, I want to show you the details of this beautiful yarn. It seems like a metallic texture, very particular. Okay, now my rectangle is about 104 centimeters long and 22 centimeters wide. And I have worked a total of 66 rows. And of course do another one. Okay, now we have 2 rectangles, so first we fold each rectangle in half and we attach some clips to mark the sewing line. So first we take the measurement of each armhole, so we attach a clip about 18 centimeters from the top corner, then do the same on the opposite side. And now leave the neck open about 15 centimeters, then place a clips. So now we are ready to grab our tapestry needle, then sew all of these parts. Okay, now we are going to weave the tails inside the garment. Okay, now we are ready to create a nice and very easy finish around each armhole and around the neck part and the bottom. So first, insert your hook into the armhole, chain 2, and this counts as your first half double crochet. Then we do 1 half double crochet all the way around. I suggest to place a marker in the second chain. So now we join with a slip stitch into the second chain. So remove the marker and insert your hook into the second chain. And all we have to do now is to repeat this row 3 more times. So first chain 2. And this counts as your first half double crochet. Then we do 1 half double crochets all the way around for 3 more times. And join with a slip stitch into the second chain, and of course do the same around the other armhole. So now we are going to create a nice finish around the neck as we did with the armhole, with half double crochet all the way around, but here we do 2 rounds. Then we will do the same in the bottom part. Okay, so now I've done 3 rounds of half double crochet in each armhole and 2 rounds of half double crochets in the neck part and in the bottom. So now grab your tapestry needle, then weave the tails inside the garment as we did before. Okay, the Jaqueline top is now complete. The size of the top is a S, but it's very easy to adapt the top to another size. All you have to do is to measure your hips and divide it by 4, and you will have the width of the rectangle. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your Jaqueline top. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!